Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that a staggering number of people dream of owning a home but have no clue where to even begin? It's a common struggle that many face when diving into the world of real estate. I'm Jordan, and today we have a special guest with us, the real estate guru himself, Davian McDonald. Together, we're going to shed some light on why real estate is a crucial avenue for financial growth and how you can start your journey in this exciting field. Let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges that beginners often encounter in real estate. From the overwhelming lack of knowledge to the fear of taking risks and the financial constraints that may hold you back, it's no walk in the park for those starting out. Many find the process daunting, with complex terminologies, legalities, and the pressure of making significant financial decisions. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Now, let's explore the various entry points into the realm of real estate. Whether it's through wholesaling, flipping properties, or investing in rental properties, there are multiple avenues for you to get your foot in the door. Wholesaling. This is a great entry point for those with limited capital. It involves finding properties at a discount, getting them under contract, and then selling the contract to an investor for a profit. Flipping properties. This involves buying properties that need some work, renovating them, and then selling them at a higher price. It requires more capital, but can yield substantial profits. Investing in rental properties. This is a longer-term strategy that involves purchasing properties to rent out. It provides a steady income stream and potential appreciation in property value over time. Each option comes with its unique benefits, so it's essential to weigh your options carefully and choose the path that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. To inspire you, let's dive into some success stories of individuals who started with little to no experience, but went on to achieve remarkable financial success through real estate. These stories prove that with determination and the right guidance, anyone can make it big in this industry. For instance, Jane Doe began her real estate journey with just $5,000. She started with wholesaling, moved on to flipping properties, and now owns a portfolio of rental properties, generating a significant passive income. John Smith, on the other hand, leveraged creative financing techniques to acquire his first rental property and has since scaled up to owning multiple multifamily units. In summary, for all you beginners out there, remember that education is key. Network with experienced individuals, absorb as much knowledge as you can, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Real estate is a world of opportunities waiting to be explored, so seize them with confidence. Start by learning the basics, attend workshops, read books, and don't hesitate to seek mentorship. Before we wrap up, make sure to check out the rest of our videos on the channel for more invaluable real estate tips and tricks. And don't forget to share your own experiences and questions in the comments below. Your journey in real estate starts now. Let's make it a success together. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and happy investing.